Alright, meteorologist Team Davison, the Weather Pros Live, weatherblogs.com. Time for your weather outlook for the 27th day of March 2017. It's Monday. Yeah, the dreadful Monday. We see some precipitation coming in. This will move through, and we will actually come through with a potential of more showers by the time we get to Tuesday. Something interesting to look onto your screen in is this low pressure system sitting out east of Florida. This is actually Invest 90. Yes, I'm talking Invest as in tropical weather. Yes, Invest 90 is located east of Bahamas, east of Florida. This will stay out to sea, but it's just weird in March to be talking about a tropical system. Not normal. A lot of things have been normal. We only had 4.6 inches of snow in Roanoke, Virginia this year. Not normal. Wednesday, we look showers continue over the area. Low pressure system will be up near Delaware. That may lead to some showers again. So we have a little break on Thursday. But Friday comes about, and we get a nice southerly wind as this low moves in from the Arkansas and Missouri areas. The warm front will be about here, the cold front will be about here, and this is going to progress east. Anything in here is the warm sector. That's the area we're going to have to watch for the potential for severe weather, and of course, with the low being where it's going to be located in this model over Kentucky, the severe weather potential for Friday would actually be in Roanoke, south here to Georgia, and a little bit of mixed precipitation in New York. And like I said, this will continue to move to the east. Showers and thunderstorms probably get into New Jersey even as this low pressure pushes east. Maybe some snow in Massachusetts. If this continues on April 1st, it won't be an April Fool's joke. But where that low is located, it comes through the area, that would kick off enough shearing value actually to make it interesting. Especially when it's about 1,000 to 1,003 millibar low. I mean, that's still going to kick around some rotation area stuff. And then we get a longer range high pressure moves in, and we get a low move into Texas. Looks like a really nasty if this continues on April 3rd. Very wet, moving directly north, and then it would shoot out a cold front, which would then, once again, increase severe weather chances. Severe weather chances, believe it or not, I did my severe weather outlook for the year. Please go watch that. You'll learn a lot why I'm talking about where these lows are going, and why that is, and what that means for severe weather. So then we have this potential snow issue coming in possibly at the beginning of April also. For Iowa, from Minnesota, maybe in Chicago. A little far out, like I said, don't plug that it will occur currently. This is just a computer model. And like I said, a couple lows start to develop off the coastline. That's not a good sign either for the tropical season. I think that's going to be something else we're going to have to watch this year. But that's just on that model. So let me pull the shearing values up. So watch this as it moves along. And it's right now kicking into a new run. For some shear on Tuesday may be good for marginal severe weather. Not really a strong loop here, so tornadoes won't be as heavy as a threat as the damaging winds would be. Freezing level, pretty high, so hail probably wouldn't be a huge issue. Maybe some small hail, but not big. Like you see here, increasing winds with height on this sounding. And SIN's STP ain't that bad. Supercell composite 1.1. Not terribly bad, but still can be a slight severe weather issue. So then we'll move along towards Friday, and that's the next day that it's showing up on our page here. And let's see for Friday what we get out of this. I think it's going to be probably in the zone for severe weather, and yes it is. A little more rotation to here. Weak tornado. So the model is saying, okay, there's potential for weak tornadoes to occur in this environment. And like I showed you on the map, that's definitely possible. Also hail. It's a lower level, freezing level, so definitely hail there, potentially. And rotating winds with height, definitely there. That's for Friday. So like I said, things are definitely getting more interesting as time goes along. And then we get beyond that, it's really too early to go over what we think will happen. Obviously, this model would depict some interesting weather coming up on the 6th of April. Like I said, it's pretty far away. But this is the time frame I was telling you with the low coming across. So that would actually could be interesting. It really is not shown here, but it would show a lot more Cape value here. So it just has time to mature and get better. We're going to keep watching on that. But, like I said, the Cape values, especially shear values, when that low moves across, right now it shows eastern parts in the Delmira, but I think this would be an entire Virginia situation based on the output of GFS. And like it says here, it's marginal, so here. But this is a ways out. So what we have to worry about now is Tuesday and Friday. And we'll continue to watch those for the potential for severe weather here. And like I said, we even have snow in certain locations. So we gotta watch. It can snow in April. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.